Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to just be me running around. I haven't picked up the camera in a long time. I actually lost all my footage on this memory or SD card that's in my camera now, so here I am filming some new footage. But I'm going to a family thing right now, and then I'm actually at my sister's house. I'm gonna carpool with her, and then we're gonna run a bunch of errands. So I thought I would take you guys along with us. But yeah, I will see you guys in a bit.
No?
I'm with my crazy.
Yeah, he just went. He wasn't talking to nobody. He didn't talk to what his grab.
Hi, I have slime.
Let's see it.
I have slime.
Whoa.
Don't take it out, okay, babe?
Okay.
Mason, I'm going as fast as I can. And
A little bit tiny fast.
a little bit.
Wait, you need to go. Go faster.
Okay, here we go. Just kidding. It's already dark. What time is it? It's only 7:20. I want to show you guys what I got. We went to Ross. They actually have really good stuff. I got really good finds. But I'm on my way home. I don't know if you guys can see me.
Oh no, I'm dropping my toys down.
We have a cranky little boy in the back.
Oh, my toys are dropping mine down.
But yeah, I'll probably show you guys what I got when I get home or tomorrow morning. We'll see. And Mason will show you what he got, right, May? Okay. Say good night. Hey guys, I'm back home and I'm gonna show you guys what I got at Ross.
Sure.
There's a little bit of background noise, but I'm just gonna go quickly through this. Okay, so I got
It's so hard.
4-pound pink ankle weights so I can work out at home, and this was only $4.99.
What is this called?
Papa.
And then I got
a chili
this
pepper.
cute crew neck. Do you like it, babe?
Yeah.
In the boys section, and I got it
Let me borrow that.
a large 14-16, and then it was only $14.99. I know, I was looking to see if they had one for you, and they had one for him, but it was white. And then I also got this in the boys section. It's a size 8, so it might be
Good
tight.
job. You
But
know
I'm
what
actually
these are
gonna
called?
tie it up. This was only $5.49
great.
on clearance.
Great.
Is that all I got?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, look at this, babe.
A corn.
Good job.
It's so cute. It's a 10-pound
Do you know what that is?
kettlebell,
Apple.
Good
and it's like a
job.
Tiffany blue
And this
color.
one?
And this was only
A
$9.99.
lemon. What does a lemon taste like?
Sour.
Yeah, that's how you do it. Look. What?
I see.
What? You like it? Okay.
Wow.
Wait, can you show what you got? What did you get? Show us.
And this has
The fruit? Okay, wait, show us. You have to use your cutting board. Oh, that's how you cut your pear? Oh, okay. Whoa, good job. What's today, Mason?
let's start.
I know, but what is it? What are you getting ready for? Halloween. Let me see. Show us your costume. Say happy Halloween.
Halloween.
He's a ninja. He's a cool ninja.
I'm a ninja.
You're a winja?
Yeah.
Or a ninja?
Ninja.
Okay, show me some moves you got. Let me see. Show me some fight moves. Let's see it. Oh, oh, oh. He's a mean. Oh, ninja down, ninja down, ninja down, ninja down. So, where are we gonna go? We're gonna go to my sister's, and the kids are gonna do some crafts. Since we're not going trick-or-treating this year. So we're just gonna go there. I'm gonna go get pumpkins. They're gonna paint pumpkins. And we have cookies and all kinds of stuff to do. So we'll be vlogging. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh, be careful. So we're super last minute. And these are all Vaughn's had. We're gonna be painting pumpkins. And these are all they had. So I got the kids 3 each. I guess they could still carve them, right? They just have to be really small. Emmy, do you like your pumpkin? Huh? Oh, he's just tired. He just took a nap. Love you. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see, Romeo. Let me see, Papa. Turn around. Cool, you're a shark boy. Wow, you look handsome. Look, your shoes match, huh?
Oh yeah.
Where'd the ninja go? Oh, there he is. Kids got crafts going. Oh, sorry.
You give me the cookie.
Let me see. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, he's painting with the water. Okay. Let's see what you got here. Wow, is that a tie-dye? They're using way too much water. Hey, you're getting in your costume. Dancing. Oh, over here, do it over here. Romeo, yeah. Dancing. Go. You see him do it? Go, Romeo. Oh.
Nana, watch
Go,
out.
do it. Go, Romeo. Oh, be careful. Okay, let me see you do it. You guys need to put your costumes on. Hot. They took all their costumes off because it's so hot inside. We're gonna go outside and they're gonna put their costumes on and we're gonna do a trick or treat hunt. I'm vlogging. What are you doing? You gonna be on YouTube, smile. Baby shark, do 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 do. Romeo.
Romeo, let me see. Romeo, look.
Our idea of quarantine Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Okay, go.
Happy Halloween.
Go.
Here comes.
Yours is not on the floor.
Here they come.
Yours is not on the floor.
Wait, get your bucket. Go get your bucket. Go get your bucket. So he only has 2 big bags to find because he's more challenging. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let's go, Ninja.
Romeo. Romeo,
Shark. Baby shark. Come on, baby shark. Go get it. Go get it.
Look at all the candy.
hurry, get it.
We're hungry.
Go get the shark.
Come on.
Go, May, go. Hold it like this, baby. Hold it right here. There you go, there you go.
Go,
Come on,
Papa,
guys.
go, Papa, go. Go, Papa, get it. Get them all.
Get some more.
Get them all. Hurry.
You hit it only over here, right?
I don't know. Ask, you know.
Get them all. Get them all.
Where the heck did you hide them? Over there, suckers over there.
Bub said challenge.
Oh, Bubs has a challenge?
Yeah, he just has 2 bags.
Okay. So anyway.
That's mine.
Hi.
You're hot. You're warm.
That's not
Well, I actually see one of those.
Hi, baby.
Those
No,
bad.
not up there like that.
Oh, get in there.
His helmet?
Let me take off your helmet. It's warm or you're hot? You're hot. Oh my God, you're burning. Hurry. You took one out.
Got it.
You're on fire.
My costume.
Get the Takis.
Oh, it's
You
crooked.
want the Takis?
What is that? Oh, wow. He's got a...
He's throwing it on the floor.
No. Like sending do something there.
So if I say I'm gonna go, I'm going.
Yeah.
Baby shark.
I'm gonna call you at 8 number. Give me your number.
She doesn't know how much.